Alauddin Tamboli. My school name is Zilla Parishad Urdu School, GULSHAN, Nagar, Mohol. I am studying in class 5th. Today is 15 August and we all gather here to celebrate our Independence Day. At first, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. India got independence on August 15, 1947. Our great freedom fighter devoted their whole life for the independence of our country. So we are respect all of them. Independence Day is a national festival of India. At last, India is the best country and I am so lucky will you in. Thank you. The respected chief guests, principals, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. Today we are to celebrate the 75th independence of our nation. On this day in 1947 we got independence from the British rule. Great freedom fighters devoted their entire life for the independence to our country. 15 August become very important day in Indian history and in the hearts of everyone. At last, we are proud to be Indians. Our country is best. Thank you.